Toy drones are increasingly being used as effective weapons on battlefields, particularly in Ukraine and Israel. These hobbyist quadcopters have been modified to drop grenades or are used as kamikaze devices with devastating results. Israeli tanks, equipped with coke cages, aim to defend against drone attacks targeting vulnerable points in their armor. Ukrainian and Russian armies are experiencing drone saturation, with thousands being deployed monthly. Drones offer a cost-effective means of attack, costing a fraction of a fighter jet with lower risk to personnel. In Ukraine, drone strikes are synchronized with artillery, maximizing their impact and providing tactical advantages. The rapid adaptation of these drones is forcing armies to scramble for effective defensive measures. Both Ukraine and Russia have mounted defenses on their armored vehicles to counter this new threat. The traditional pace of warfare evolution has been disrupted by the low cost and high availability of these drones. Major losses of armored vehicles have been reported due to drone attacks, underscoring their potency. Armies worldwide are resorting to installing cages on tanks, deploying older anti-air systems, and even exploring laser defenses. The arms race between drone attacks and defenses is accelerating, with innovations on both sides. Manufacturers are now creating drones specifically designed for one-way attack missions, optimizing them for cost and efficiency. Despite efforts to jam command signals and shoot down drones, their small size and agility make them formidable. The uncertainty of how to effectively counter such drones is causing global military concern and urgency. That's it for today. To stay up to date on AI, drones, and military, don't forget to subscribe.